Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color Rubble from Paw Patrol. Let's start drawing. First, I draw Rubble's eyes and his eyebrow. Draw his nose. I continue with his smiling mouth. I draw his face, then draw his hat and his ears. Draw Rescue Team badge. Then I draw his necklace. I draw his body and his suit. Draw his legs. And his backpack on his back. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring, starting with gray and black. Then I color his hat yellow. And his backpack is yellow too. His shirt is the same color as the hat and the backpack. Then I use dark yellow to paint this part of his face. And color his legs. Brown. Finally, I use cream to paint the rest. Gray, black. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.